Would you like to stand like this so that your beauty will be seen by everyone? Okay, ladies, I will stay here near the judges. The question is, what do you love most living here in Cyprus as an overseas foreign worker? I repeat, what do you love most living here in Cyprus as an overseas foreign worker?
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the judges. And to all my co-offenders, we are all beautiful. Good luck for us. For me, as an OFW here in Cyprus, it's a big thing for me to help, to have a job here, to grab a good job for our family. Because in Philippines, we have money, but we cannot buy everything. And here in Cyprus, as an OFW, it's a big chance for me, for us, all of us OFW. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Miguel House. Okay. Let's proceed to contestant number 2, Miss Andres Mirna. Are you shaking? Are you okay? Yes. I'm not okay. I'm the one who's shaking. If you won a lottery for ₱1 million, what would you do with it and why?
If I won a lottery for ₱1 million, I will share the money, the other money for the church, and I will share to the people that they need money for help, and especially for the people that they don't have nothing for the expenses for the children to need for their study. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Mirna Andres. Let's all give her a round of applause. And now, may we call on candidate number 3, Miss Arlene Lagundino. Are you okay? Are you scared? Are you ready? You don't have a choice. Silence again, please. The question is, what will be your contribution to mitigate global warming? Again, what will be your contribution to mitigate global warming?